Hey, I'm Woody.
I'm Kleiny, and this is Extra Helpings.
Now, if you're feeling peckish after tonight's epic final of Cooking with the Stars, then don't go anywhere.
Because we've prepared you something special, and here's a little taster of what to expect.
3, 2, 1! Harry won the final, but can he go one better and win the Percy Pig Challenge?
Chef Chris Baber set us our toughest challenge yet.
Who can eat the most anchovies?
Smell them.
One sec, let me just... Go on.
And we have another brain buster for wine expert Fred Sirieix.
You've got to drink this beautiful M&S wine, okay, without touching the cloth.
Oh, it's another one of your tricks.
Yeah.
Have you ever made a smoothie before, babe?
And find out what prank made Catherine and Naughty Boy react like this.
It's not for the faint-hearted.
Previously on Extra Helpings.
Have we started a war?
Catherine and Tristan tricked us into eating some biscuits with a secret ingredient, chili.
You'll not be shocked to find out that we got Tristan back.
What's that got to do with cooking?
I'll tell you what.
What?
You do.
Now it's Catherine's turn. Okay, guys, so you may have seen me prank Kleiny with this blender.
Now we've brought it down to Extra Helpings to see how many stars we can prank with this.
Unlucky!
Let's do it.
Have you ever made a smoothie before, babe?
Yeah, but I like to mix it first.
Is it not working? Do you want to plug it in?
Going dead well. Oh, it's not switched on.
You have to switch it on like that, Wiz. Oh my God! Woody, take this. Woody, take this.
Brother, bro.
Are you joking?
No.
I'm unlucky!
Don't do that. Like, man, I might be naughty, but don't do that. Bro, I was like...
I felt so bad doing that to you as well.
He's coming, giving me a gift, and I was like, oh my God, in 2 minutes I'm about to him up. Guys, Naughty Boy and Catherine Tilsley on what we broke. We're Extra Helpings, Woody.
I was genuinely about to, like, pray.
That was the worst thing that's ever happened to me. But you know what the worst thing is? I was in St John's ambulance and I walked off.
Oh, yeah.
Right, we're going to play a game, Johnny, called Would You Rather. Okay?
Do you really want to play?
Well, I don't know if we do, to be honest with you, mate. Shirley, catch it, keep it. Oh, what a catch. Hold that camera, Ben.
That was a good one to catch as well. They're the best. They're Percy Pigs, them ones.
Percy Pig.
Okay, would you rather put a ferret down your trousers or a monkey?
Let me ask you, why couldn't I have both?
We would love to do Strictly. Can you, like, maybe teach us a little dance move?
Yes, you do a little bit of salsa if you like.
Oh, nice.
Do you know what salsa is?
It's a dip, innit? We're on a cooking show, I mean.
Just remember never to use the same foot twice.
Right,
Okay.
okay.
So you step to the side on your left foot,
To the side on the left.
back on your right,
Oh, one second.
replace on your left, step to the side on your right, forward on your left, replace onto your right, side on your left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, good.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Forget all that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'd like a monkey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You've got to say that, though, ain't you?
No, because ferrets bite. Monkeys are inquisitive.
I love it. Woody's gone again.
It's better entertainment, though, isn't it? Can you imagine just strolling down the street and a little furry hand coming out from your ankle?
A paso doble.
Oh, nice.
Ole.
I'm thinking you're missing a chance for a little floss.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm not even sure
Look at that.
which
Look at the
Everywhere.
technique of that. I mean, if he was on Strictly doing that, what would he get?
Well, what dance would that be?
That is the floss.
It could be a little bit of a move in the cha-cha-cha, but you couldn't stand for a minute and a half doing that now, could you? Nobody would know what dance it is.
Look, no disrespect.
Floss, you know.
Yeah, but no disrespect. My one went viral. Just saying.
This week is all about signature dishes. So I've got this beautiful New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. It's crisp, it's fresh, and it's very, very zesty. It will be perfect for Francesco's signature dish of langoustine and asparagus gnocchi. Parfait, or perfecto, as Francesco would say.
Okay, guys, got another challenge for you, Fred. Kleiny, take it away.
This is a tough one, Fred. It's a tough one. What you've got to do, okay? Got this beautiful M&S Sauvignon Blanc,
Right.
right? You've got to drink this beautiful M&S wine, okay, without touching the cloth, okay? So you've got
It's
to
another
drink.
one of your tricks.
Yeah.
Why have I got to do this stuff?
Fred, it's simple, mate. You can touch the glass. Touch the glass. You just are not allowed to touch this beautiful M&S cloth.
I know.
Okay. No. That was good. I like it.
It's
we like
the contents of the glass,
Contents
Fred.
of the glass,
Without
Fred.
touching
with
the
that.
Yes.
cloth.
You can't touch the
I
cloth.
see how you're thinking there.
I don't know how to do it.
You just
can.
think.
Just think.
Go on.
Without touching the cloth.
Can't touch this cloth.
I mean, I have no idea.
Do you want me to show you?
He can do it.
I can do it. Fred, you ready?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'm going to show you. Very simple. All you got to do, grab the straw. Watch closely.
What a silly.
Can it though,
It's
didn't
gone. The wine is gone. Check it. Lift it. Lift it. Thanks very much, Fred. We're here all week. Beautiful M&S wine. That's how it's done, Fred.
Oh my God. Well done, well done. Well, that's it from all of us. There's plenty more wine pairing on the M&S YouTube channel. See ya.
Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, it's time for one final cook-along.
And our M&S chef, Chris Baber, is back to show us how to make the ultimate tuna steak.
Here we are.
We're ready.
Tuna steak. You don't want to mess around with it. You
No.
don't want to overcook it. You've got to get it absolutely spot on.
I'm confident.
I'm gonna get stuck right in.
Let's do
Stuck
this.
right in. Cut the potatoes into halves and boil until you can put a knife through them. Drain and put the potatoes back in the pan over a low heat. Add butter, season and crush together lightly with a fork. Place the quail's eggs into a pan of boiling water for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Then plunge immediately into ice-cold water and set aside. For the dressing, add olive oil, red wine vinegar and an anchovy fillet to a blender and blitz. Add whole grain mustard and honey to taste. Trim the green beans and cut in half. Blanch in boiling water for 2 minutes, drain and set aside. Gently tap the quail's eggs on the work surface. This will help you peel the shell off. Then rinse in cold water to remove any remaining pieces of shell. Cut the tomatoes in half and chop the chives. Add to a bowl, then add the peppery microgreens and green beans. Using a tablespoon, add your dressing to the bowl and toss gently until lightly covered. Heat a griddle pan and when hot, add the tuna. Cook on one side for a couple of minutes and then turn over and cook the other side. The tuna should have dark griddle marks across the steak and be pink in the middle. Slice the tuna on the diagonal and present alongside your crushed potatoes and green bean salad. And remember, all the ingredients are available at M&S. The dressing. So we've got, generally when you're making a dressing, you want 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, so 3 oil, 1 vinegar. The secret ingredient here is anchovy, so who can eat the most anchovies?
Smell them.
One sec, let me just...
Go on.
It's important you know what your ingredients taste like.
And I've got to eat these.
Fishy.
First person to sip the water loses.
You ready, Woods?
Yeah.
Should we just take one and start? Oh, that's a... No, what?
How many are you going for there?
Ready? You ready?
Go on.
You call it, Chris.
3, 2, 1, away.
I just bottled it. What a bottleless git.
There is no way I am eating those. You don't pay me enough.
Would you eat another one?
No.
No.
Do I win?
You've won.
Get in there! Oh. I need some M&S mints.
It's all down to the plating up now. There we go. That is how it should be done.
Wow.
Amazing.
Well done, Chris. Well done, Chris.
Have a taste, boys.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Once again, thanks for joining us on Extra Helpings, mate.
Thanks for having us.
Chris Baber. I don't know what's worse there, like the anchovy smell or your actual breath. It's time for
Cooking with the Stars, condensed.
It was the grand final.
Which of the 3 remaining stars would taste victory?
In the first cooking challenge,
AJ was feeling the heat.
while Denise was in the zone.
I'm actually quite calm at the moment.
And Harry's drumming experience came in handy.
Listen to the tone.
I've got to get my gnocchi right.
And she did.
Denise Van Alten, you are going to the final.
Get cooking. So, it was Harry against AJ in the cook-off.
What does emulsified mean? What is that?
Who would make the cut?
That's not what Woody meant.
And after our toughest cook-off yet,
The person going through to face Denise in the final battle is Harry.
So, Denise v Harry in the final battle.
we had blood,
Sweat
So hot. I've got a right sweat on.
and tears.
These onions, man, they make me cry.
and after a close contest,
The winner of Cooking with the Stars 2021 is Harry Judd.
It's time for
the exit interview!
Join us in the kitchen is our finalists, AJ, Denise, and our champion, Harry Judd!
Wow! Now, Harry, how's the hand?
Do you know, it's
How
all
is
right.
it?
Yeah, the adrenaline was...
left?
Man, the adrenaline was pumping. I was like really annoyed that the minute came in. I was like telling him to go away. I wrapped it up. I was like, go away! I'm in the I was in the zone. It's like that's been the most fun thing. I think when I start cooking at home, I want to do an hour timer. Have a gong on the wall. And I'll be like, in a minute, stand by. Let's go.
What's it been like teaching Harry to cook, Nisha?
What is a pleasure is Harry loves food. So you'd cook something and then he'd taste it and these scales fell from his eyes and he starts to light up. And what I love about him is he then takes it and makes it his own. So what you see, in the final is that he was cooking and he was tasting and he was adding to it. And sometimes it scares me because I think, what are you doing? And he knows, he's intuitive and he's intelligent. It is a pleasure to watch that. Somebody loves food, they're a joy to teach.
Love that.
Now, Francesco, before the competition, Denise lacked in confidence. What would you say to her now?
The thing that really amazed me is it was down the trip from the hotel to the studio. She was talking to me about cooking, about ingredients, about recipe, how to make the meatball. So that's passion.
That's because there was no room service.
I mean, I think the best thing for me was like, it's not because we went so far in the competition, but I passed my passion of cooking to Denise. This is amazing.
Denise, I mean, a little birdie told us that the dream was to open a restaurant in Chelmsford called Denise's. I mean, is that dream going to become a reality or what? I mean, should it, guys? I mean, I would be eating there.
That's great.
Obviously, Harry would have to be the cook.
Chelmsford are going to love my meatballs.
Now, AJ, we've got some questions for you. Let's give it up for AJ, everybody. You made it all the way to the final. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
It's been some journey, hasn't it?
It has.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Ultimately, what's clearly happened is I peaked too soon. That's what happened, do you know what I mean? Yeah. I was just here to
That's
rock
usually
the
Jack's
boat.
problem.
Usually Jack's problem, but in this case, mine. No, honestly, like everyone said, it's just been brilliant to learn from the best.
Yeah.
All of the skills that he knows and the charisma and the passion and just everything he's actually given to me.
Charisma?
Yeah. You've got it!
Jack, was there ever a dull moment, mate, with her?
Just the 15 minutes that she was late every morning while sat. Other than that, absolutely not. No, she's been a fantastic...
You know, always late, but better there.
She's been fantastic. She's so confident. It's just been a pleasure to train you. But I would like to just say one thing to Nish. I just think she hides a light under a bushel, but she is an amazing chef. And I think she has been instrumental in getting Harry through. And she wouldn't have been able to herself.
Do you know what we'll add to that as well is because we've heard unbelievable things about all of you guys, all of you chefs, okay? You mentors have been absolutely amazing. So every single one.
Now, nobody goes home empty-handed on extra helpings.
Oh, never.
So we've all got you.
Oh, here we go.
Gold.
Got one it easy.
Percy mascot. Look at this.
This is the real prize.
Forget the frying pan. Forget the golden frying pan. There we go. Right, Harry, you won the show, but can you win this? Because it's time for...
Now, Harry, I'd just like to say, if you think that was important winning that, yeah, you are wrong because it's all about winning this competition on extra helpings, okay? Harry, it's very, very simple. All you've got to do, you've got to place one of those biscuits on your forehead. You've got to move it down your face using only your facial muscles and into your mouth.
You're against the clock. Fastest time come the end of the series wins.
Okay, everybody in the studio, lots of energy, please. 3, 2, 1, go! Grab another one! There we go! This is it! Take your time, Harry! Take your time! Take your time! Oh my God! Harry has done it in 17 seconds!
The winner is Harry with 17 seconds!
Thank you so much, guys, and massive congratulations once again to our finalists and the winner, Harry Judd, and his mentor, Nisha. Thanks for watching, guys. For even more extra helpings and some tasty stuff from M&S, click right here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the M&S YouTube channel by clicking down here.